What's up, Team Buckhouse? Johnathan Buckhouse here, and today I'm going to teach you guys, especially you beginners, how to hit your first rail. Now, tons of people can hit boxes, and boxes are sick, and you should know how to hit a box before you try to hit your first rail. But hitting your first rail is important, and if you've never hit a box before and you find the perfect rail, I say send it. I'm going to give you the tips so you can hit it. Now, hopefully your park is like Copper Mountain and it has an insane entry-level park, a nice rail that's almost buried in the ground. That's what you're looking for to hit your first rail, because you want to get onto it and kind of feel what it feels like. So you need to approach the rail with a medium speed. You don't need to be going hauling, but you can't be crawling. If you go too slow, you're gonna have a bad time. So as you approach the rail with a medium speed, you wanna be in a stacked position when you get on the rail. You do not wanna have your shoulder open like this. It's gonna cause you to slip out once you get on the rail. The next thing is, you don't wanna be leaning back either. Once again, you're gonna be leaning back going into the rail, you slip out. Stacked position, basically if you're like squatting. Nice, powerful position, and you're just gonna stand there in that position and get on the rail, ride through it, and once you're riding off of it, absorb your landing. It's that simple to hit your first rail. So many people mess up the rail by having the wrong body position, open shoulder, leaning back. They're scared of the feature. Don't be scared of it. You will be on it for less than a second. So just charge it. Be like, this is my rail, I got it. Now some rails, and this would be your next progression up, have an urban on-in, meaning that you have to jump onto the rail. You can't ride straight onto it. You have to jump onto the rail. This is super intimidating, but if you can ollie, you can ride this rail. So the idea is you're gonna approach the rail with about a 15-degree angle heading to the rail. Now you're not trying to jump right at the beginning, you're actually trying to jump into the middle of the rail. The best part about that is if you jump too much, you just ride right over the rail, it's not a big deal. But your trajectory needs to be 15 degrees going into the rail. Get onto it, stacked position. Once again, we're not leaning back when we're trying to do that. It's gonna cause you to slip out, probably taco the rail, that's not fun. So, stacked position, 15-degree angle, and instead of ollieing, you're gonna kind of just pop off both feet. And that trajectory is gonna just place you right onto the rail, super smooth, and you're gonna ride away. All right, guys, it's that simple to hit your first rail. Go out there and do it. And as you get more comfortable, start hitting rails a little bigger. If this video helped you, or if I forgot anything, comment down below what tricks you want me to do next, or what did I miss on how you hit your first rail. Share it, have the conversation in the description or in the comments. That's why it's there. Also, if this video helped you, smash that like button. It helps you all by the YouTube algorithm. More people will see how to hit their first rail. You guys smash that like button, and that's super sick. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. My goal is to help you become the best snowboarders possible by dropping these how-to videos. Also, if you wanted to support this channel and get some Evolution merch, they come with guaranteed compliments. You can get hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeves, all the merch, the stickers, it's all linked in the description. And if you do snag any of it, tag me on my Instagram and I'll give you guys gear and sticker shoutouts in the vlogs, but also follow my Instagram for bonus extra content. All right, Team Buckhouse, with that, thank you so much for learning how to hit your first rail with me today. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow with another video.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody, I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, I ain't never gonna need nobody, no cliffhanger, yes I